So we continue again. Yes, am I audible to all? Shall I continue? So we were discussing what you call washer making right now, because in that example we will want to understand. Uh, so first operation is your blanking. Then you are punching. Means first will first. So we will design punch. We'll design punch and die for blanking. So we know in a blanking, we know in a blanking, die size is equal to blank size, and punch size is equal to die size minus 2c. This is just okay, fine. So this we know punch and die size design in blanking operation. Die size will be equal to blank size, and punch size will be smaller. That is die size minus 2c. We don't know what is c, but c is equal to 0.0032 t root tau s millimeter. So you know thickness 0.0032 into 3.2 into root under, it is given here 190. So you can calculate value of c. C is will be in a millimeter, and that c you can calculate, and c value will come 0.144 millimeter. So once you got C value, you can calculate here punch size. And what is blank size? Blank is 65 mm. Because blanking operation is this one right now. This is diameter is your 65. So your die will be equal to 65 mm, and punch will be equal to 65 minus 2C, where C is we will get that value C from the relation, and that comes out 0.144 millimeter. Everybody is following me? Fine. So in that blanking operation, your die size will be equal to 65 mm and punch size will be equal to 65 minus 2 into 0.144. Right? So you got this. Now after blanking, we will make a hole on this blank. So we need a punching operation. So we got a blank size 65 mm. Now we'll make a hole. So hole size we want how much hole size we want? We want 30 mm. And we know punch size is equal to hole size, and that is equal to 30 mm. Now die size will be equal to punch size plus 2C, that is 30 plus 2 into 0.144 millimeter. It is clear? Everybody got this? Everybody understood this design of punch and die in a blanking and punching operation? Yes, no, maybe. Please write yes, 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 no. What about the other guys? Munir Babu, then you have Tausif, Ravi Raj, Dheeraj. What Tausif? You tell me, need. What is the need? Write down. Tell me what is your. It is very easy, right? It is nothing, man. It is very easy. You see, yeah, you need practice, but it is, yeah, you have to be intelligent, man. You have to be, I mean, you have to work hard. There is no substitute of hard work. Yeah, what we did in punch and die size, we estimated from the formula. Clearance, we got the empirical relation. But we've then for punch, similarly for punching operation, we use that formula, and that's over. Then we have to calculate blanking and punching force. Now blanking force. So blanking force is equal to V naught tau ultimate into pi dt. Here diameter you have to take 60 mm, because in blanking operation this bigger diameter is cut. In blanking operation bigger diameter is cut. This 65 mm is cut. So this diameter you have to take 65 mm, and thickness you know 3.2 mm, and ultimate shear strength you know 190 Newton millimeter square. You can calculate. Then punching operation, that is punching force is equal to tau ultimate shear strength into pi dt. This d you have to take here, diameter 30 mm and thickness is same 3.2 mm and tau s is equal to 190 Newton millimeter. So this blanking force will come 263 760 Newton. That is answer. And this will come your 369,264 Newton. Now question is, when both are done simultaneously, when both operation are done simultaneously, in a compound die, means the force will be equal to, total force will be equal to blanking force, means in one operation, in one operation both punching, blanking plus punching is done, means your die is like this, you have bigger die, you have smaller die, you have this much, right? Now something like that. So in one, so you have force will be equal to F1 plus F2. That means force will be your blanking force plus punching force. Just you have to add. That's all. You have to add. That's all. Because both are done simultaneously. So force will be double. I mean equal to punching force plus blanking force. So now I think clear everybody. Now we'll move to another problem. We'll solve other problem. Just let me copy the problem first. Let me copy the problem first, okay? Then we'll discuss. So now we have more 4 problems. So one by one will solve. But the circular blank of 10 millimeter diameter are punched from an aluminum sheet of 2 mm thickness. The shear strength of aluminum is 80 megapascal. Minimum force required. Very easy. Let's gate questions. So, somebody asked me some doubts. Punch is same. No. Punch and die both are not same. Compound die means punch is not same. Arrangement is that we have different set of punch and die for blanking and different set of punch and die for blanking. And in compounding process, compound die, both arrangements are there. I mean, we have two sets of die, two sets, one set of punch and die, one set of, okay, for blanking and for punching. No, same will not be used. You have two punch. Here one is small punch, a bigger punch. So a circular blank of 10 millimeter diameter are punched. Okay, yes, fine. So a 10 kilometer diameter are punched from an aluminum sheet. So you have diameter punch. So first you have to understand that. You have to understand whether operation is blanking or punching. This is very important to identify the operation, because it is you must know the operation. So circular blank of 10 meter are punched means it is blanking operation. Blanking operation. Because circular blank of 10 meter diameter are punched from an aluminum sheet. Blank of diameter. These are punched from an aluminum sheet of sheet strength aluminum. The minimum force required. What is the useful thing here? Useful thing. First you have to check. Circular blank of 10 millimeter diameter are punched. Means this diameter blank is punched. Not talked hole. Anyway, thickness is 2 mm, diameter is 10 mm. Shear strength of the aluminum is 80 megapascal. Tau S is equal to 80 megapascal, means 80 Newton per millimeter square. So force is equal to, required force is equal to tau S into pi dt. Put the value, get the answer. Now, a 50 mm diameter disc is punched from carbon steel 1 mm thick. So you have diameter is given 50 mm and thickness is your 1 mm. Find the diameter of the die. Take clearance as a 33% of the thickness. So C is equal to 3% of thickness. So 3% of thickness, 3 by 100 into thickness is 1 mm. That means 0.003, right? No, 0.03. Am I right? Mm. So we have to find, this is blanking operation. Why blanking operation? Here they have talked about 50 mm diameter disc. not talked about hole, not talked about hole. So die size is equal to blank size, that is 50 mm. That's all, diameter of the die. It is not used, not used. Now third problem, the force requirement of blanking operation. The force requirement in a blanking operation of low carbon steel, if 0.015% is carbon, then we call it is low carbon steel. Force requirement in blanking operation, it is clearly said blanking operation of low carbon steel 5 kilonewton and thickness of the sheet is T and diameter is D. So you have diameter D, thickness T, and you have a force that is 5 kilonewton, and operation is blanking. For the same work material, if the diameter of the blank part increased to 1.5, means D changed to 1.5 D, suppose D dash, and thickness is reduced to 0.4, so T dash reduced to 0.4 T. New blanking force in, so what will be the new blanking force? F dash is equal to what? This is the question. So how to calculate F dash? We know, I will explain it further also. Energy neither be created nor be destroyed. So work done in a first operation or for first. No, what? How to calculate this F dash? So you have to calculate F dash, right? No. Okay. Not work done here. Work done formula will not be. You have to calculate F dash, right? We'll calculate F dash. What is the issue? It is very easy. It is very easy. Just yeah. Fine. So we are discussing that right now. So we have to calculate F dash. Now it is fine, huh? So F dash is equal to what? Material is same. Material is same. Means tau S in this case and tau in this case same. And you know tau is equal to F by pi dt. So for first case and the second case. So F by pi dt for first case will be equal to F by pi dt for second case. And you know F dash is equal to, you have to calculate that F dash, and pi is same, diameter is 1.5 D, thickness is 0.5 T. So pi cancelled, and you know F value 5 kilonewton. You can calculate what is F dash. Clear to all? This you understood? Please tell me whether understood or not. Because material is same. 3 kilonewton, 3 kilonewton. Very nice. Very good. Nice, Rajat. Yes, sir. Okay. Material is same. So shear strength is the material property. It is same. So just we equate the material F by F, right? And the F dash is given. It is clear to all? Now last problem will solve. So we'll this question I left to you. Well, here one terms is the die allowance. Calculate the punch size in millimeter for circular blanking operation. So this is your blanking operation. Size of blank 25 mm, thickness 2 mm. Radial clearance, that is C, is your 0.6 mm. And die allowance is 0.05 mm. What is the die allowance? KT is your punch travel. That is we use to calculate energy. That is punch travel into punching force is equal to energy. Okay. Energy or method to reduce force. We are going to discuss this method to reduce the force, that is cutting force. We are going to discuss method to cutting the force. Yeah. This problem I left to you. Okay, we'll solve it blanking right now. So blanking operation. So in that blanking operation, die size is equal to blank size. So here blank size is 25 mm. So it is 25 mm. But plus we have to add this die allowances. That is 0.05 mm. That's all. Whenever when die allowance is given, simply add add with on die size. Allowance is actually minimum clearance. So it is blanking operation. You have die size equal to blank size 25 mm, but die allowance is given, so you have to add this. That's all. Fine, fine, fine. Now I'm coming to this important topic, and then we'll finish. Method to reduce cutting or blanking force. One term is called, we call shear. This is our punch. This we call actually flat punch. Flat punch. But if this extra inclination inclination is given, that is called shear I. This I, that is millimeter, that I is called this I is called shear. And what is I? Suppose this is theta, so you, if it is 10, then you can calculate I. So I is basically inclination. When, so basically punch are two types. One is without shear. So punch are two type. One is your with shear. Means you have flat punch, and then you have a with shear. So this is I. So you are, now you are doing this operation with flat punch, and with shear, with uh, with punch with shear. Punch having shear. Punch having. So basically you have a flat punch. Flat punch. So this is your flat punch, and this is your inclination, and this I is your shear. KT is your punch table. This KT is your punch table. Here punch table is KT plus I. KT plus I. This is the extra punch table, that is I due to this shear. So we are doing now this operation with shear, with a punch having shear and punch having they don't have shear, right? The punch is not having a shear. So energy is same, means work done in both case is same. Energy neither be created nor be distributed. Same thickness sheet, same material, same die, punch is different. So in this case, force into KT, and in this case F dash, this is your F dash, and this is your F dash into KT plus I. Force into punch table, force into punch table. What you see here, F dash is equal to F into KT divided by KT plus I. So F dash is less than F. It is clear to all, please say yes, no, maybe. You have to tell. You have to tell yes, no. सबको कहना है yes, no, maybe. सबको, all students has to tell yes, no, clear. Fine. But I have the query that it only matter of punch table or some angle of inclination also matter. Yes, Mr. Redmi, what is your name? Shubham. I have the query that is only the matter of punch table or some angle. It is matter of only punch table. It is only matter of punch table. It is only matter of punch table. Because that it matters only that I. You see my notes. Shubham, you see my notes. I have given you, yeah. Just now, can you see the different punch with shear? Can everybody see the shear? So I'm talking about this. I'm talking about this I. And this is the theta. So theta and I are related. I and theta are related. It is now clear. This is I. This is rounded. This is again I. Now it is clear. Shivam. Okay, fine. So now what we have understood that what actually Seer does. Seer provides extra punch travel, and then F dash is less than F. Force reduces because of shear on the punch. So today class is over. You have to solve a lot of numerical problems. All numerical problems you have to solve. Tomorrow, not tomorrow, I will plan next class. Then you have to solve all question. See my notes, problems are there. So you have to solve all problems. This is your assignment. This is your assignment. This is your assignment. Homework we call actually assignment. Assignment or homework. First, second, see notes. Deadline 31st/07. Submit on WhatsApp. Name and name phone number on notes, on note or on your solution, on your image. Okay, so shall I close now? Shall I close? Everybody, you have to send me, you have to solve all this and you have to send me on my WhatsApp, putting your name and phone number. On WhatsApp, you have to send me solution. Okay, then good night. Good night.